Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.